It's Tuesday at 8 on BBC One and iPlayer.
Hi there, thanks for being with BBC One on your Sunday afternoon. I'm here live. Now, a cool cat with a thirst for adventure.
BBC Unknows has interrupted the program for an important announcement. The Homelander Society will deliver a speech regarding the ongoing crisis in the UK. Please salute the Homelander.
Is hello 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 is hello. Today we arranged a meeting to decide the fate of the United Kingdom. We will develop nuclear weapons and destroy the UK and overthrow the government because I'm Prime Minister.
Oh no! The Homelander has been brutally assassinated. Wet the
Yokoso. Welcome. You have just committed treason against the Homelander. You are all about DOD.
His name is Sunglasses Woman, and I am super duper megappy scared PLZ. Don't destroy the traitress.
Homelander.
Watching BBC One. Oh no, hello, a nuclear attack is coming. Let's head to the BBC News desk.
Oh, Mario! Oh, Mario! Mario! I don't give a fuck! I don't give a fuck!
Oh no, the news won't start. Let's watch some concert.
From the screen to the ring to the bend to the wobbling.
Concert unable to play. Generating a world map. A whoosh stickum 999999999 world map. Okay, so SC Meek team, we are all gonna die. Oh no, the missile is coming. It's time for the national anthem.
With blazing pride, with power none can deny. Born to shine, to rule, to dare, Homelander's might beyond compare. Fly high, oh glorious King. Your name, the song we sing. Unstoppable, your reign ascends. Homelander, where hope transcends.